Michaelina Wautier, also Woutiers, was born 1604, died 1689, was a painter from the southern Netherlands. Only since the turn of the 21st century has her work been recognized as that of an outstanding female Baroque artist, her works having been previously attributed to male artists. Especially her brother Charles, Wautier was noted for the variety of subjects and genres that she worked in. This was unusual for female artists of the time, who were more often restricted to smaller paintings, generally portraits or still lifes. She was familiar with masculine anatomy and painted it without shame, becoming one of the first female painters to expose a naked man. The artist depicted herself in the colorful crowd. She is the only character to look at the viewer.